What to buy this car is 2024 new model. That's the big thing with this car, because some of the cars that are advertised, they're the old generation. This is the new model Cayenne, 2024, 6,000 miles, priced at 74,990. It's finished in Dolomite silver. It's got upgraded 22-inch wheels. It's got a sunroof, black leather inside, lovely extras, Porsche warranty and Porsche assist till 2027. But this is one of them cars where, for me, it's all about value for money. If you think about a Range Rover Sport on a 24 plate, probably retailing now about another £10,000 more expensive than this car. It's a Porsche, it's four-wheel drive, it's a great buy for somebody. It's all been de-chromed on the outside as well, so if you look around the windows, mirrors, it gives it that, looks better, doesn't it, as opposed to that silver finishing, privacy glass. 22-inch wheels with the calipers, finished in red. And I just think if we move to the rear, you've got that sweeping LED light which comes all the way across, which makes it look really, really sporty. Electric tailgate. Boot space, again, is big. I think in a Cayenne boot space, it is big. And they're popular as well because I think people feel that they're quite a nice size. They're a four-wheel drive, they're a biggish car, but they're still not too big. So they appeal to men, women, families. In the rear, black leather, all your Isofix. You can see the privacy in the back as well, which just sets it off. And the car's lovely. You can see got the little Cayenne logo there on the kick plates. I'll just shut that door and I'll show you into the front. So this car, like I said at the start, is the new model. We've got memory seats, we've got heated seats, you've got the new generation interior, if you like, with a new digital cockpit, digital screen. You've got the different driving modes, which changes it from sport to comfort, all them different options there as well. Heated seats, all your digital climate control, reversing camera. This car's a 3-litre V6, I think 355, 360 horsepower, so it's still got a bit of grunt. Gloss black all inside, which runs all the way through there. Sliding sunroof. Cruise control. Lane assist. All your safety features you would want. Just a great new model, new generation car at a fantastic price range. That's what I think about this car. Do your research. The next car available, new model Cayenne, is £80,000 plus. 74,990, fantastic price, going live on the website.